Understanding ISO in just 2 minutes. Let's go. Hey photo world, I'm Rob Kruger and this is Take and Talk Pics. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. ISO is one of 3 settings used to set your overall exposure. Specifically, it is the setting determining the camera's sensitivity to light. You see this represented by number values like 100, 200, 400, 800, and many cameras as high as 12,800 or even higher. Again, ISO is the setting to change your camera sensitivity to light. The higher the number, the more sensitive to light. The lower the number, the less sensitive to light. There's one big thing to remember about ISO. The higher you go, the more noise you will see. If you use an ISO of 6400, you will see a sandpaper-like look to the image. When it was filmed, we referred to it as grain because it was literally grains of light-sensitive material. Bigger number ISO was more sensitive and used much bigger grains, whereas smaller numbered ISO was less sensitive and used smaller grains. With digital, it is the same concept. The image would become grainy, or as we say with digital, noisy, the higher we go with our ISO. So remember this, low ISO equals less sensitive to light and a cleaner looking image, less noise to the image. Higher ISO equals higher sensitivity to light and a less sharp image, more noise to the pictures. A good rule for ISO, use the lowest ISO you can to keep the cleanest looking image possible. Like I use ISO 100 outside and rarely go higher than that. And when I'm inside, even with a dark wedding reception, I try not to exceed an ISO of 3200.